Hello YouTubers, it's me Aiden Joyce, back again with a Bachmann review, part 2 of the European uncoupling system, along with the Bachmann rail joiner and an Atlas flextrack. There isn't much to say about the rail joiners. I mean, I've got like 5 tracks that are missing rail joiners. Actually, I got 6 of them. Only one of them I'm using like a display case. The rest, I've put the rail joiner. And for what better engine to test it out than Toby. Let's see. It's a little intimidating whenever no worries, it just takes some practice. If you're wondering if Toby still works, then yes, Toby works. Well, that one works, just as long as you don't maybe without cow catchers. Let's see if it works. Yeah, it works. It's just much harder to do it on Toby because of his cow catchers and side plates. You could tell that it's going up just by slightly. Sometimes gotta use your hand, or if you're in luck, you could just do it. I say it's a bit effective. Hey, look, it's going up. what do I think of this? It's perfect whenever you have the... It's very effective, I do have to say. And the rail joiners are great too, in case you needed a spare. And what am I going to do with the flextrack? I'm going to do like a project on that one. Just so I can... Like, I'm thinking building another diorama. Well, we might see. We might find out. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Alright, see ya. Bye.